Welcome back guys, this is the Insta360 X4 and in this video I'm going to give you 5 reasons why this is the perfect Christmas gift for anyone that's into affordable filmmaking, or somebody that's into mobile filmmaking and wants to take it to the next level, or somebody that posts a lot on social media. In fact, this could just be the perfect gift for anybody. So the first thing we need to talk about is the features. The X4 is a 360 camera, which means it captures video from the full 360-degree spectrum. Seamless integration with the Insta360 mobile and desktop apps means that you can reframe your footage in post. Basically, whenever this is recording, everything's in shot. And as if that isn't impressive enough, it shoots 360 video in 8K, meaning absolutely fantastic quality for all your 360 video. The audio quality is fantastic. There are different audio modes, including one which isolates your voice or whatever the front camera is pointing at. There's a mode specifically for picking up background noise, and it has variable wind reduction. It can shoot 360 video using a log colour profile, which means you can colour grade your 360 footage for a really professional look. Now that is just a few of the features. I'm really just scratching the surface there. We've got slow motion, we've got hyperlapses, and I've not even mentioned all the cool effects like tiny planets and the fantastic built-in effects in the Insta360 app. Next up is the form factor. It'll fit into your pocket, and because it's waterproof, you really can take it anywhere. Okay, reason number 3, this is really big for anybody that's used 360 cameras before. The X4 actually comes with detachable lens guards. Because the X4 captures 360 video by using both the front and back lens, and they both shoot at around 180 degrees, and then they're stitched together inside the firmware in the camera. So protecting these lenses is a must, and the fact that it comes packaged with detachable lens guards is a huge deal. Okay, remember I mentioned earlier that this was great for somebody that liked affordable filmmaking? Well, that brings us to the next reason, which is the price. The Insta360 X4 is ridiculously affordable. It comes in at less than half of even an entry-level DSLR, and it can do so much more. And finally, reason number 5, the invisible selfie stick, which is an absolutely fantastic invention. Remember I mentioned earlier that the X4 captures 360 video using these 2 lenses. So the area in between those 2 lenses we call the stitch line, and anything that sits in that stitch line will be invisible in your final shot. That's why you can walk along carrying the X4 like this, and your shot will end up looking like this. Now, if you want to grab an X4 for yourself or as a gift for somebody, we've got a link in the description where you can get one at the best price with super fast delivery. And if you buy using our link, you get the invisible selfie stick free. Thanks for watching. See you next time.